What is going on, Jasmy family? Hopefully, you guys are having an amazing day today, guys. I've been trying to do some of the videos in the studio, but some of these I got to do on the go. So you're not going to get all the cool editing and stuff. So I'm just coming out with the video, guys. We're going to be talking about Jasmy today, guys. Man, I'm super bullish behind Jasmy because the great thing about Jasmy is that we took a dip. Obviously, we've seen that little pullback that Jasmy had, but the very upside and positive to Jasmy is essentially it being able to come back from that. So we're going to talk about that, guys. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so that you can stay up to date with all the Run My Crypto videos. Again, guys, I apologize. I haven't been able to record in the studio, so I'm on the go. You guys see the cars in the background because, that is my business. I sell cars and do those types of things. So, guys, let's talk about Jasmy. Let's get into it in depth on what's going on. So there's some new information that's come out, right? We have some partnership. Basically, what they've been talking about. If you've been watching some of the videos on YouTube, you'll see that Jasmy has picked up, some partnership that's going to work alongside of with Janction. So that's really big with Jasmy because we're seeing Jasmy go into these new areas, what we've been really waiting for, right? To see the, Jasmy start to perform and be able to be noticed on not only as a cryptocurrency project, but being able to show forth some of the design and some of the investment into the company that Jasmy has. So super excited for that for Jasmy. Now, so if you've been tracking along, Jasmy did take a little dip. I believe we went down to the 0.017 level, but recovered, right? So we recovered, and there's a lot of other projects that took the hit that are still down there trying to figure out how they're going to recover. But so excited for Jasmy because we were back up. It was just basically, a touchdown. Like we just barely went down, tagged that area for people to get into and buy, guys. That's why I was saying buy. You want to buy on these dips because Jasmy's that solid project that is going to go back up, and it's going to do that based on the size of community that Jasmy has. The community is very strong. When you look at the project, the community driving Jasmy is really strong. And I believe that, we have a lot of retail investors. There's new ones that are getting in. That's going to push Jasmy up, especially when we see long term holders go in and pick up more Jasmy as we hit these lower areas. So, if you're watching the markets, it's kind of a blessing and a curse if you're constantly watching the market. But that's what's going to help you be able to continue building up your bag of Jasmy because you're watching the markets and you watch these dips and you continue to add to your portfolio. And with the way that Jasmy's been pretty much consolidating, we're going back up to that 0.022 level or 0.027 even. So even if you look at it in hindsight, you hop in, you pick up some more Jasmy, you're grabbing Jasmy at 0.017 or 0.018, and you're actually in profit in the next few days after that, right? So we're seeing Jasmy go down and then come back up within a couple days from that low dip. And that's why I'm so excited for Jasmy even going into this bull run, because to have the potential to be able to hit that dip and then come back out of that dip, put you in profit, it's really amazing, right? So you could literally, in a sense, we've had maybe 3 or 4 opportunities to make some money, right? So Jasmy has dipped down to that 0.015 at a time and then shot back up into that 2.0.27. Then we seen Jasmy dip down to that 0.017 level, maybe even touching the 0.15. And then what it do? Boom, shot back up into that point 0.022 or 27 or 25. So it's constantly, when you're picking up that dip, going into profit every single time, right? We have not seen Jasmy break below that 0.015 area that has a really strong support. Now, this is great for Jasmy because, it's showing the signs of strength, right? It's like Hedera, H bar. We saw H bar go and do this catapult, but the price got suppressed literally immediately. So those are the things that you want to look out for because we want Jasmy to maintain that steady consolidation. And what's very healthy for Jasmy as it's consolidating is knowing that we're staying in these healthy ranges, of getting past point zero 0.02 and then going down, staying above 0.015. Now that's great because this is exactly what we want to be seeing for strong consolidation. Now, what happens is that we stay within these strong consolidation areas. And just like if we go back and we look at a little bit of history of Jasmy, we consolidated significantly in that 0.0003 to the 0.004. And that was like pretty much our consolidation level till finally taking off into the moon, and we got to that 2 cent level. Now, the great thing about it is that we're correcting no further below than the 0.015 area. So that shows if we stay within this pattern, we will see the next mega move up going into that 0.05 cent level or the 0.07 cents or even the 10 cent, because now the only difference of the consolidation pattern is that we were consolidating in a bear market when we're consolidating within that 0.003 range to that 0.0045 range. Now consolidating in a range of 0.01715 with a high of 0.2 to 27. That is beautiful because that's just a whole nother level. And being in a bull market, which is what we're in now, is the icing on the cake, which is going to take us. And now, we're seeing liquidity exit, right? But we're also seeing liquidity be inducted into the crypto space. Now, here's the part where I hope you guys have watched all the way to this point, because now with that strong consolidation and with the economy showing signs of positive news saying that the economy is going to recover some, we're going to see a large induction of liquidity into the crypto space because now all the investors are looking for hedges into other things aside from gold and silver and all the dollars and all that. The value's going down, but the interest rates and everything are correcting. So people are going to actually take that liquidity and pour it into cryptocurrency, especially with, Bitcoin having the ETFs, play out. The amount of volume and induction of liquidity coming into the market from that. And then Hong Kong now putting liquidity into Bitcoin. We get into this bull run, it's going to be extremely massive. So guys, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Remember Jasmy to $1.50 billion. Guys, stay in tune, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this.